Can we hold up leaving the lot for like a minute at most?
Yes. Hey guys, James here.
Okay, thank you.
EDS routes. We don't have the simulation of rain, but it's gonna be a rainy day. What is it called? I think I'm the exact way to try to put rain on a one terrain so we can use it when it's raining.
I'm gonna attempt to.
Yeah, mine was 2-1%.
Larry.
I wish we can use that headlight if the game wasn't lagging.
Yeah. Big B over there, poor him.
Yeah, I do.
What do you mean poor me?
Never mind.
Are we waiting for somebody else?
We're waiting for Brady to get back.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Oh, perfect.
Oh my god. I can't do routes now. I can't. Yeah, there was a fire. The car just blew up and I filmed it on Instagram.
What car?
My neighbor's car. I watched it from the start and I'm the one that like really saw it. And no, they were already there. The person that was driving it, oil light turned on. She drove it back to her house, and then
all of a sudden it caught fire.
Yup, as soon as she got out.
Damn.
Cadillac converter issue. Got a little too much gas in that Cadillac converter.
The thing is completely destroyed.
What kind of car was it?
It was a 1999 Subaru something, but it's all souped up.
Well, maybe it's because it's souped up.
It's an old couple. It's an old couple.
What did... Brady, are you back?
Why would an old couple soup up a Subaru?
Alright, Brady's back.
RTO only, guys.
Wait, one more thing here.
Oh, you coming?
I can't now. What I just witnessed now. I need a break. No.
Okay.
Okay, don't drive with your end lights on, Connor, please. Thank you. The only end lights that don't bother me are the ones on a C2. They don't affect my FPS whatsoever.
End lights should not be used in any circumstance on the server.
Because of Baby Robinson.
Cough, Matthew.
In general.
And
It just... don't use them.
Well, if everybody had decent computers...
Yeah. Well, we're not gonna make one person suffer for...
I guess I'm on the news. I just submitted that to ABC News.
Oh, you talked to them?
No, they're not even there, but I just submitted the video to them.
A video of what?
Of the car blowing up. I filmed it on Instagram Live.
Okay.
Sorry for the hold up,
remember
guys.
RTO.
You guys have a good rest of your day. I gotta go take a break for a little bit.
For you.
Stay here until we all park at Embassy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Saved it. I live.
No, I'm coming on. I'm not gonna be no whiny pussy up around.
10-4. RTO, guys.
Around that corner.
alright. We should drive slow because of the snow.
It's raining.
Because of the rain, duh.
26-12 enter.
Right here.
Oh, and
Oh,
I gotta cut.
you didn't see that.
Zach,
Yes.
my windshield wipers aren't working on my bus at the moment.
Oh, okay.
I did nothing.
They work.
Oh, what school are you guys at?
We're heading
Yes.
Why so late? Is it because of me?
No. Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you.
3301 to 1450. Yes, can you hold up for a second? So I gotta do something real quick.
Alright, that.
13 to all drivers.
Go ahead.
Watch the sharp bend when you're making that turn to get into the ES.
Got it.
Come on.
Speed limit sergeant's back. You fuck. Five, aren't you a handy?
Yeah, I'm just making the roundabout easy.
Oh, yeah. Forgot. Alright, up there.
1107 to 5206.
That's not what he's driving.
Okay, to 5907.
Go ahead.
Why aren't you in 5206 today?
We changed his bus number.
Whoa, okay then.
Yeah, because 5907 is a newer bus.
Okay, that's fine. We want to keep our buses on today since it's a rainy day, James? Nope. 7-4.
James.
Shut that piece of junk 3301 off.
Can I do a little roleplay situation when my bus catches on fire one day?
Not in that
No.
CE, no.
What'd you say, James? Say again?
I said not in that CE,
No.
That bus
God damn it.
costs a lot of money.
I'll do it in the pusher.
No. You do it in my pusher, I'll murder you.
I'll buy it.
You're not gonna do it in any bus. You better, but in pusher.
What's going on?
Nothing. Connor was asking about doing a role play, and he said he wanted to do it on.
Spark up in the engine.
He wanted to do it in his CE, but then he said I'll do it in the pusher. I'm like, no, you ain't.
No, see.
And James said he was gonna buy me a new pusher.
What is it called? We had a sub for 1608. She dropped me off, and then towards the end of her route, her bus caught on fire. And then they put out the fire before doing any bad damage. And then guess what? We had that same sub bus the next morning.
Wow.
We're like, alright, you can have it back. And she was like, what?
Bus is off, guys.
Except for me, I'm a handicap.
Yeah. You know who you are, who shouldn't have, or her shoe head. Oh my god.
Stop.
Yeah. Should have their buses.
Matt, your four ways are on right now.
I know.
Next lane, bus driver. Come on. There you go. Is that everybody?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're starting with
4.
Alright.
I just got pranked. I shut mine off.
Let me know when I can leave.
Okay, this isn't radio traffic, but I gotta say it. James was telling me earlier about 1315, and he said it had a shaky crossing guard.
Matt. No.
$24.06 in maintenance.
Go ahead. M3 maintenance, go ahead.
After welds, snap more washer fluids.
10-4. 10-4 will do M3 maintenance clear. 2406.
1315 to 2406.
Go ahead.
I had a jug of it sitting on my bus, so I'll fill you up at the HS.
Thank you.
No problem.
Guys, use the inside lane.
That's what I was doing.
No, I'm just reminding people.
5907 to 4317.
Go ahead.
Did you remove the railroad crossing at the ES?
There it is there. It's just it's not.
Yeah, I gotta
Guys,
raise it.
use the lane I'm in.
No, you don't have to raise it. Leave it like that.
Repeat that.
I gotta raise.
You
10-4.
Oh, you're just gonna raise the track where it bumps it.
Caden,
Yeah.
Caden, don't speed in school zones. 20 miles per hour or less.
You don't have to yell at me. Talk in a normal voice, and maybe I will.
That, okay, don't disrespect me like
Drop
that.
it.
Drop it now.
Thank you.
Jeez, why is there always a fight in the same spot I drive in every day?
I don't freaking know anymore.
Thirteen, 15, 14, 15.
Go ahead.
So on any other roundabout but that one by the ES, doesn't matter what lane we use.
Well, unless you know how to use a roundabout. Which I hope you do.
Uh, 26-12 to 24-6.
Go ahead.
Yeah, at that stop sign that you just went, you stopped at, make sure you go in the left lane instead of the right lane because you just cut me off, kind of.
Okay.
Actually, 26-12 all drivers.
Go ahead.
Just take that
Go.
advice I told train time, just use it, take it into your knowledge because you could cause an accident by doing that. So make sure you get in the left lane at that stop sign, right after the railroad tracks at the ES.
9-4.
Alright.
Thirteen, 15 to M3.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna have a little bit of an issue with one of my neighborhoods today. They did some remodeling and now it seems to be very funky for my route.
What neighborhood?
The white condominiums.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just, I don't know. Just figure out a way to do it.
3301 to 1315.
1315, God.
You have to watch, check your mailbox for new dog sheets.
And come for it.
26-12 to James, or M3. Yeah, I just saw a driver doing at least about 100 down a road, dead serious. So unrealistic from my position. I
Alright,
What was the number and driver?
believe it was a 2016 ICCE, that's all I picked up.
10-4.
I will have to fix my speed, I'm sorry.
it's okay. Not a big one.
Because, like, when I pull out a lot, you guys, like, go. and that's when I get stuck behind a little bit.
Yeah.
So
It's not a big deal. We'll let you off this time.
Sorry about calling it again, but 26-1293. I have no gauge lights. Everything's fine, but I hear this constant beeping. I don't know what it is. Yeah, just constant, like, just beep, beep, normal IC beeping sound.
Probably because you clicked your, what is it called again?
Ignition.
Never mind, just...
Because I just did it and it constantly beeps.
I will go get a drink since I'm at HS, but I don't want to do that to you guys.
I'm just now losing
I'm gonna try and run down. I'll be right back.
Oh, 2010 after. I may have accidentally ran a railroad track because something had clicked off my rigs rod.
I have to go somewhere. Hopefully I'll make it back in time. I'll be right back. Should I just leave my game running or exit?
$13.15 due M3. Do I have permission to leave the vehicle, pull over and shut it down? There's something dragging underneath it.
CG, Matt?
No.
You alright there, 1415? Alright. Looks like your oil light came on, you kept on fire. Good. Oh. Close. Uh-huh.
13.15 due M3 maintenance.
Yeah, go ahead.
I am dumping antifreeze. I swear, dumping it. Pulled off to, I'm pulled off to the side of the road by the Department de Public of Neo Quatero, the police station of Neo Quatero.
2207 or 2907.
10 4. Please advise 13:15 to 14:15. Please advise the HS. I'll be a little late pulling in. Thank you.
Alright, I'm back.
Baby, what happens? Can you pull up?
He's all the way up.
20 out of 7. Oh, never mind.
Who are we waiting on?
And then I have to straighten out my bus.
3301 to 1450. What buses are we waiting on?
We're waiting on Matt because he had a link that was leaking as well.
Oh, okay.
Is it still raining outside? Okay, so.
Look what you have to drive, Matt. I love that. There's 7. Nice pick, Matt.
Who else are we waiting on?
No.
Brady.
Oh, never mind.
Oh yeah.
Here you come.
Oh, 110, yeah.
Like we've been doing routes for like hours.
Yeah.
Because it's sat at lot for so long.
Nice bus, Matt.
3301 to 2907.
2907, go ahead.
Do we need to go pick up 4217?
Oh, why are you asking? Question mark?
Just wondering.
I don't get what you're trying to hint at, Zach.
I am back.
I'm not trying to hit anything. I'm just wondering if it's back at the yard or it's at Thomas.
It should be back at the yard.
Okay.
That's where Alex left the park. He
Alright.
gave me the keys.
The routes I'm taking 13, 15 to international.
10-4.
Who can I come with?
It's just me. I'm 13, 15.
Okay.
Oh wait, I know it needs 2907 to base, James. You have to get 4417 back from the Thomas dealer.
I can.
I'll run and grab that.
Oh, okay.
We also have to grab 4317. We also have to grab 4317. So. We'll be
Okay,
good.
I'll drive 43 if you want.
Oh, I already get both of them?
Yeah.
I guess I could drive you out to the Thomas dealership.
Yeah.
And then y'all can come pick me up.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead.
1-10 you.
Oh, I was just letting you guys know that I'm on the route to the MS.
Okay. HS you mean?
Oh, 10-4.
Are you heading towards MS or HS right now? It's not a big deal for you.
I was heading toward MS.
Okay. No biggie.
Remember RTO.
One in 907 to 3301.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna pull up over here and do a quick little pre-trip since this is a sub bus.
10-4.
And lights off too, Matt.
Already starting it.
Well, you don't need to use your end lights for free tripping if
He's
you're on
fine.
the server with people.
He's fine.
No. You guys already said end lights are not allowed on the server whatsoever. Don't go back on what you already said yourself.
Doesn't matter right now.
Yes, it does, because it's killing my frames right now.
Ready?
Birdie bus off. Brady.
$29.07 to $11.07. Turn the bus off, please.
Thank you.
I'm back.
10-4.
13:15 to 33:01.
Go ahead.
We need to have a talk after outs.
Sure. I don't know about what, but okay.
10-4. Not in the mood to get salty. That you love Salt Bus Driver 5. That's off topic.
For goodness sake.
Brady, your bus is on.
What time are we leaving?
Soon. Jan's pulling up now.
Okay.
Once it gets loaded, he'll head out. But we gotta wait for James.
Back.
Yeah, we gotta wait for James.
We don't actually have to.
There he is. Speak of the devil.
Y'all can go on and leave while he's loading it. Hold on. You're on the driver.
No, I know.
Yeah,
I'm just pushing my park brake in.
Yeah, me too.
14:15 to 1:10.
Go ahead.
You ready?
10-4.
Alright, you can go.
2907 to M3 James.
Go ahead.
Just so you know where that 1315 is located, I have the keys for it. It's located on the street with the Neo Quatero police station.
Just once routes is over, just go on and get off the server and I'll spawn.
10-4, I'll let you take it into the IC dealer.
Well, y'all are gonna have to try to figure out how we're gonna get to it. I have it towed back to
We'll discuss.
I just passed by just now.
3301 to 1450.
Go ahead.
We can discuss that info after.
Here it is.
Oh, by the way, Big B, that wasn't because I'm mad at you. It's because,
What?
when I honk at you, it means I'm saying hi.
I didn't even. I don't.
Go,
Even,
James.
I don't even see 2807. I have to
And then
download.
you have to download that.
Yeah, I have to download that.
2907 to M3. Can you do me a favor and call the parents of one Scotty? Scotty, I don't have the last name for a second. I'm on the new white neighborhood, the remodeled white neighborhood, sitting at my second stop. And that's a negative. I'm sitting over, I'd say, the second speed bump into the neighborhood when you come in by the supermarket. According to me, that's a negative.
There's 301 to 45. Me and Alex, we're still working out the kinks in the route sheet. So we'll be able to smooth it out in the next week or so. Yeah.
Oh, Zachary?
Go ahead.
The middle school moved into the parking lot.
I forgot to fix that.
Back out. Back out. Back out. We gotta use the other one. Back up.
Oopsie days.
Can I get a chance to shift?
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Alright guys,
What's going on?
middle school fucked up. So we're gonna have to go towards
Yeah.
the back where everybody's gonna have to pile up in the back.
Ahem, don't give me any handicap.
That'll be.
Too bad.
Let the Andes go out front.
No.
You can't get up in the driveway. I'll fix that tonight, and I'll upload it.
Driveway, but I'm able to get to that. Andy's getting
Oh.
sidewalk, so make sure drivers we pull all the way around.
I'll upload
By the sidewalk.
I'll upload a immediate update. That'll get fixed.
Run off the edge.
3301 driver.
Go ahead.
Make sure you re-download the map at some point tomorrow before routes.
10-4.
It's not fucked up.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Looks fine. Oh, shit, never mind.
Yeah, I pulled in and then I see that and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, that's the one thing with using Toolkit and Notepad. It shifts, so I'll fix that tonight. I'll put it back in.
Oh, okay, you said. So be careful when you come to it later.
59 cents to enter.
What the shit?
Pull
What?
up, Larry.
It's a lot of drivers.
We're gonna have to pull in.
I'll get as close as possible, guys.
59 cents to enter.
James,
What?
Connor calling you.
I was moving. Yes.
So for departure for MS, do Ed drivers leave first and then Handy's leave or no?
Andy's are just gonna have to stay in the line.
10-4.
Until we get this fixed. God damn it.
I'll fix it right after. Hey,
What did you
hey.
do to it?
The thing is what happened was I moved it. I redid it in Toolkit, so it reset all the lines.
Oh.
So I'll just get I still have a backup of the old one. I'll just put the old lines in for the high school. Or Emma.
Oh, I see.
Well, since you know how to add things in Toolkit, let's make the high school somehow.
Well, we need a high school to play.
Yeah, I know, but we'll figure it out. Alright.
We can always use this.
Zach, bus in reverse.
Oh. It's been a long day.
Do you have needles on this bus at work?
3301?
Yes.
No.
1315 to M3. I'm gonna go grab a drink from inside the school, BRB.
God damn it.
Bus is off.
1415, why you pounding that shifter?
2406 to James.
Hold on.
Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
Do I park behind Connor?
Yes.
Alright.
Who was revving their bus?
I don't know. I'm about to beat the shit out of him.
Oh?
It's been a long day. I'm not in the mood.
It's Connor.
Connor, your boss.
Pass him. You can pass him.
Oh, shit.
Anyways, Larry, go back in the line. Get out of the teacher parking. Pull up
Larry?
behind bus driver 5 because that's you're pretty much in teachers' cars right now.
I don't see any
Larry, park in your spot.
I can.
Are we gonna? Are me and
without running
Zachary
through
and I
buses.
gonna have to create server lag, and I can go download a SketchUp car and place like 5 of them there, so you can't go through there.
Oh,
I can't go around with 5 buses sitting in my way.
And you can come. You can. Oh god. You can drive straight here and whip the shit out of that.
Good.
And now back. Oh, not
Counter
like
your
that.
bus.
You should've backed up.
James, I'm gonna play some
You don't want me to whip it.
Shut up!
God damn.
Pissing me off tonight.
Stop revving.
2612.
Like, you guys are getting on my last nerve. I'm about to lose it.
5907 to 2907.
2907, go ahead.
You try and kill me on the sidewalk, boy.
That's RTO. Right now we're just waiting on 110 on that car. He'll be here soon.
James, I think we need to have another night.
Do we have to have another meeting, fellas?
I think we need to have another night where I'm in charge.
1107 to M3.
Go ahead.
You're still waiting on me too. I'm
Oh,
just
I thought you were
my
here.
high
I
school.
thought you were here. I saw a bus that kind of like yours, but it was actually train time. Not my bad.
One, 10, and 3. MS.
Okay. Make sure you pull into the second turn lane. Don't pull in the first one.
10-4.
That would be fixed tonight.
What's wrong with the school? I don't see any problem.
There's a problem with the front of the school.
Oh.
It made for an interesting video.
26-12 to M3.
Go ahead.
Unfortunately, I have to leave the routes tonight.
Okay.
Alright, I'll talk to you guys whenever I can.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
1107 to M3.
Go ahead.
Did Connor just sign off for the night or just temporarily?
He signed off for the night.
Is he getting his middle school covered?
It doesn't need to be. Don't worry about it.
10-4.
We got Durham to do it.
Just wanted them to come out and do it. Pull up train time.
Okay.
Oh shit, I thought there was gonna be more buses. I over-exaggerated the parking.
Oh, oop.
Sorry. It's always to be safe than sorry.
James,
Yes.
check the chat.
Which chat?
Chat box.
Have a good. James,
What?
are we going to part 2?
Yes, we have 2 of our buses pulling it now.
Alright.
110, 1107.
Go ahead, 110.
I wasn't honking at you. I was just honking to make sure that.
You're killing teachers.
He's,
That's fine.
It'll be fine. Keep going. Just keep going.
we just want to get out of here.
It's like I'm dying to leave this school.
I'm not.
Oh, hold on. Wait. Watch out.
Your finger itches?
No, I'm just tired of
Matt.
sitting here.
Yes.
Been sitting in one place too long.
Never mind, I forgot.
I feel like 3 hours passed.
Yes, oh, he got stuck. At the back. Nope, you're gonna have to, there you go. I had to do that earlier. Alright. Let's start loading up.
I'm loaded.
You ready? In the back?
Yep. Oh.
In the back, you ready?
10-4.
Go ahead.
This is an interesting route.
Stop back there.
Well, the map has been updated.
What?
That's why.
Make sure y'all download the map before up.
It'll be updated within like the next, I don't know, hour or so.
Okay.
It's an easy one.
Well, first let's do the thing that I was wanting to do.
Okay, you're gonna have to remind me.
5907 to 2907, 2902, or whatever your number is.
07.
I have a file complaint. Can you talk out the routes now?
Yeah.
10-4, thank you.
We need another night.
Another night of Adolf Hitler?
Mm-hmm.
Shit! 2907 to base.
Oh.
I just got sideswiped by 5907.
Oh.
Great. What dealership do I have to take that one to?
No dealership?
You better fix that shit.
Yeah.
How to drive. Oh, wait, I think that's what Paul's saying. I think Paul wants to give you a drive.
I want
Zachary.
to do that.
That was Zachary.
Paul and Zachary can do it because they're both going to have G27s instead of both things.
You know I got a G27 right.
You can help them too, I can care less.
As long as Zach teaches me.
I will.
Wait, so I have a G27, Paul has one, you have one, Brady has one, and who else has?
Did you get Zach?
Yeah.
Okay. Scotty had one. Nobody.
You're talking about a wheel?
Yeah, same. Well, and then technically, what's his name?
Connor. Oh,
I love having this thing.
28 out of 7's heading back to lot to grab a third sub bus because this thing is. I'm
No,
proud.
somebody have to drive back to the IC dealership.
No, you should be fine.
M3 maintenance 5907.
Go ahead.
Leave me with the keys for that bus tonight. I'll take it up there.
10-4.
We're gonna
Now
have a
to M3 maintenance.
M3 maintenance, go ahead.
Does this mean I have to take 5412 tomorrow or 52?
That probably means you'll be taking one of the two. We'll figure it out.
5206.
No, I think he deserves a short bus.
think you deserve $7.99.
Really,
Well, if you
stop.
want to get technical, he has too many kids to fit on the short handicap, so he has to take 52 of 6.
That'd be alright.
We got
110 and root a lot.
Don't piss me off anymore.
Listen,
2907 to any drivers that are behind me. Just heads up, I cannot get over 53 miles an hour, so I might be going a little slow.
$50 to M3 maintenance, Matt.
M3 maintenance, go ahead.
Matt, what garage you want me to park in?
Just park it outside of Bay 1.
10-4.
I'll take it from there.
1107 to 3301.
well,
Why do you have a stop there?
because I have a stop here.
That's along my route, though, so you're gonna have to get that checked out by Alex. Exactly.
I'll leave the keys in your office, Matt.
It's fine for now. We already have enough to deal with right now. There's a bunch of issues we gotta sort out.
God damn, a lot of speed bumps.
Mm.
3301 to 1415 and Larry.
2907, go ahead.
Whoever's office, let's meet down there afterwards.
10-4.
2010 is 10-7.
10-4.
Would you look at it?
2907 is 10-7 out of service.
$1107 G15.
Were you calling 1315, 1107?
1415.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, you're no gist. I'm gonna talk to you after rounds, probably after you get done talking to them.
We're probably gonna be on late because we gotta discuss a few driving and all that.
What'd you say?
We're gonna be discussing a bunch of shit, so it's gonna be a while.
Oh, great.
That's fine.
So
I don't care.
what did you need to talk about?
It's just like,
No,
Oh,
no, it's 30.
oh,
That's what's up.
Not gonna talk about it on our RTO.
Okay.
1-10, 17, 15, or M3. Where do you want me to park 110 for the night?
Just park it in the spot. Just don't
10-4.
park it up in the front spot.
10-4.
Oh, stop.
M3 to 1450. I'll be. You want me to hop in 1315? You want to take 5907 or?
I'll talk to you what I'm gonna do after that. Just leave you on this one.
10-4. Give me those keys, Big B.
I'm putting on James's desk. I trust James with my keys, not you.
I go take those keys.
No.
Matt, you already have the master key. You don't need
I know I have to dick around with them.
You don't need my key.
Ding, ding, dong.
27 did nothing. I'm stuck.
Fine. Oh, team.
I'm
This
stuck.
was an event for rocks.
Round 4 it was.
Yeah, you gotta be careful pulling through here. Looks like one of the doors, but forget it. I feel that I almost got caught in the same thing.
I'm gonna go fix that issue right now.
Okay.
No, I just got a copy of Lionel from a gun.
I'm stuck on the roof, King.
Kind of off topic, Zach.
What?
Can you send me just the, you know what?
Thank you for watching, guys. Yes, like, comment, subscribe, and yes, this is...
Subscribe to BB.
No, do not subscribe to Big B. I'm just kidding.
No.
Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, talk to you later.